Hello. Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to see the most important topic in political science. We are going to see the UPSC PYQs on the most important topic, the most central topic, the architectonic topic in political science, justice. Right? We are going to understand PYQs. We will get a brief analysis of PYQs and then we'll start with the subject with the topic from the next lecture. So what are PYQs? The first word which comes is Rawls, right? Rawls theory of justice, his theory of distributive justice, right? Liberal and egalitarian perspectives. Again, Rawls idea of liberal self, right? Entitlement theory of justice of Nozick. Again, Rawls need to be understood in very deep manner so that we are able to understand theory of justice in a richer sense because questions have been asked again and again. Comparative assessment of Greek perspective of justice with Rawlsian concept of justice. Greek concept perspective of justice will understand with three people: Socrates, Socrates, Plato, Aristotle. Then communitarian perspective on justice, right? Distributive justice, Rawls. Analyze John Rawls' justification of discrimination. Rawls' theory of justice is both contractual and distributive. Critically examine Rawls' argument. Difference principle in Rawls' theory of justice. Explicate conception of justice in critiques of communitarian theorist. Comment on original position again and concept of Rawls. So Rawls become the central figure in understanding justice. If you understand Rawls, half of your work will be done in theory of justice. Rest are just fillers, right? So conceptually, Rawls justice as fairness become important. Conceptually, his original position, veil of ignorance, becomes important. Right? There is comparative analysis that has been asked. Right? There is what is Rawlsian justice? Again, affirmative action, how it is connected to Rawlsian justice. Welfare state, how it is connected. Theory of distributive justice, idea of democratic equality, entitlement theory of justice. We are going to see Robert Nozick as well. Right? Liberal self, autonomous rational choosers, original position, veil of ignorance, contractual justice, right? Concepts like this we have to see in theory of justice, very foundational to the subject, very central to the subject, right? I cannot underscore its importance anymore. Literally the most important topic in political science. Almost every year has been PYQ because it is central. If you understand justice, you will understand every other concept, right? Liberalism, equality, rights, how it is connected. Have to understand Rawls, have to understand logic, have to understand communitarians. Justice as a topic, concept of justice as a topic, right? You can use freely across the subject, across four papers. The keywords, if you use in international relations, you are going to get more marks. Keywords are going to be there. Hundred of keywords are going to be there within theory of justice. It is quite literally the biggest topic of political science. Okay, we'll start with theory of justice from the next lecture. I hope you understand the importance of it and keep keep concentration in next 2 3 lectures. It is going to be very helpful for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.